Hi guys, welcome back to another Essentially Amateur Skills tutorial. Today we're going to be going over 7 signature Ronaldinho skill moves that you can use to beat your opponent. More specifically, these are going to be useful for when you receive the ball on the half turn. Say a teammate passes you the ball here, you receive it on your back foot, a defender's right there. These are going to be 7 explosive skills you can use to glide away from that opponent quickly and swiftly and efficiently. Let's get right into it. The first skill we're going to be going over is called the drag, scissor, drive. So after receiving on the back foot, he's going to drag it with the inside of the right, do a scissors, and then take it with the outside of the left, smoothly, swiftly, efficiently. Ball's coming in, receive, touch, scissors, drive. Receive, drag, single leg scissors, drive. With all of these signature 7 skills, none of them matter unless you master the first and most important aspect of this, and it's having that good first touch on the ball. So the ball stays close to you, and then you can beat the opponent with one of these 7 explosive skills. Get a peek over your shoulder, receive, drag, step over, drive. Okay, the second skill is going to be a drag, body feint, drive away. Similar to skill number 1, but we're not doing a single leg step over or scissors. We're just doing a body feint and then driving away with the outside of the left foot. So it looks like this. Receive the pass, drag, body feint, take away with the outside of the left. Receive, drag, body feint, explode away the outside of the foot. Really sell that body feint, throw that right foot down hard, and then explode away in the opposite direction. Receive, drag, explode. Okay, skill number 3 is the 180-degree spin drag. We receive the incoming pass. Our back is turned to the opposition. We're going to drag it and spin, exploding away from the opponent. Make it seem like we're just taking it with the inside of this foot, going this direction, but you chop it back all in one touch. The ball doesn't leave your foot. So it's a drag, spin of your body. He did this brilliantly. I believe it was against Werder Bremen, where he split 2 defenders, but you could just as easily, obviously, use this just against 1 defender to fake him out. Drag, spin, explode away. Receive, drag, spin. All right, we're on to skill number 4. This one, gotta love this one. It's the Elastico. One of Ronaldinho's favorite, his most signature move, goes like this. Receive, one fluid motion, a sharp touch with the outside, and then snap it back with the inside of the foot. Explode away from the defender. First touch is with the outside of the foot. Second touch, you're snapping the ball back with the inside of that same foot, and then exploding away from the defender. Okay, now that we've mastered the classic Elastico, we're ready for a little variation. Skill number 5 is the inside Elastico. This one is 2 taps of the inside of the foot, really quick. First with the heel or the back part of that inside foot, and then snap it back with the upper part of that same inside of the foot. Bam, bam. We have to focus on that most important thing again, getting a good first touch, receiving that ball well, and then performing that Elastico variation, inside Elastico. With this one, you want to open up your body when you receive it, make it look like you're going to pass inside to a teammate, but you're cutting that ball back and exploding away in this direction. Receive, boom. All right, skill number 6 is a sharp step over followed by a croqueta. So we're stepping over, feinting hard in this direction. The defender's going to think we're coming back in this direction, but really we croqueta now around that defender, and we're heading in this direction. So again, receive, step over, croqueta. Ronaldinho was very deceptive, loved to make defenders think he's going one way, switch back, go the other way, be sharp, really explode away then. Step over into a croqueta drag. Receive the pass, step over, croqueta. The thing with this one, you receive, you do that step over, the defender baited and he's going that way, And now he may lunge in to try to just poke that ball away before he thinks you're exploding that way. So then you pull back. And when they lunge, the croqueta is a beautiful skill. The only skill you need. When a defender lunges out like that, you go whoop, whoop, away from them. They can't touch you. Okay, we've saved the most magic for last. Number 7. Notice the first 6 were always going in this direction. We saved Hocus Pocus for last because we're heading in that direction. So just when they think you only go left, you hit them with Hocus Pocus. You're going inside to the right. We receive the incoming pass. We immediately step over the ball and perform that nice inside to outside elastico behind the back. There it is, Hocus Pocus. Receive the pass, step right into it. I love this one because once you receive it, your body push that momentum forward and you're going right into it to explode away. Receive, immediately, boom, boom. Take it in the opposite direction, exploding away from the opposition. Breaking down Hocus Pocus, I made a video of it. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check that out after this. But you step over the ball, it can be straight on the center of the ball or a little to the left, to the right, just however you feel comfortable doing it. People will do it differently. But then it's a tap with the inside to a tap with the toe outside part of the foot. So receive and then straight into it. Step over, boom, boom. There you guys have it. Another essentially amateur skills tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Those are 7 Ronaldinho signature skill moves you can use to beat your opponent. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.